वेलकम। मैं हूं मंदिरा बेदी और मेरे साथ हैं क्विज मास्टर आदित्य नाथ मोबाई और ये है LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016। LIC जैसे कि आप जानते हैं इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है और उन्होंने कंप्लीट किए हैं 60 स्पार्कलिंग ईयर्स। LIC ने हर कड़ी में आपका ख्याल रखा है, बच्चों से लेकर बड़ों तक, पढ़ाई से लेकर सेहत तक, हर क्षेत्र में आपका ख्याल रखा है, आपका साथ निभाया है।
और इस प्रोग्राम के जरिए LIC जोड़ना चाहती है देश के युवाओं को। अगर आप बनना चाहते हैं LIC स्मार्ट युवा तो आपको करना होगा LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016 के सिटी राउंड्स को पार।
जो टीम्स सिटी राउंड को पार करेंगे उन 8 टीम्स का रास्ता जाएगा मुंबई की तरफ फॉर द सेमीफाइनल्स और उनमें से 4 विनिंग टीम्स क्वालिफाई करेंगे फाइनल्स के लिए और विनिंग टीम के सर पे सजेगा LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज का ताज और उन्हें मिलेंगे आकर्षक इनाम, ट्रॉफीज और सर्टिफिकेट्स। हम पहुंचे हैं द पिंक सिटी जयपुर। आइए देखते हैं पिंक सिटी जयपुर के क्वालिफायर्स कौन हैं। So let's begin with UIET Chandigarh.
Hello everyone, I am Bipin from UIET Chandigarh.
Hello, I am Kritika Bedwal from UIET Chandigarh.
Welcome Bipin and Kritika. तालियां। आगे बढ़ते हैं बिट्स पिलानी कैंपस की तरफ।
I'm Pranav Saraswat from BITS Pilani campus.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya Singh from BITS Pilani.
University of Rajasthan.
I am Harshvardhan Singh Rathore from University of Rajasthan.
Hello everyone, this is Ram Govind Yadav from University of Rajasthan.
And finally, St. Wilfrid College of Law.
I am Mohit from St. Wilfrid College of Law.
Hi all, this is Abhishek Devda from St. Wilfrid College of Law.
It's time now to tell you about the first round. हमारा जो पहला राउंड है इसे हम कहते हैं नीड फॉर स्पीड। आप सबसे 30 सेकंड्स में सवाल पूछे जाएंगे। ट्राई एंड आंसर एज मेनी एज यू कैन इन दोस 30 सेकंड्स। इस राउंड में बिल्कुल नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है। सही जवाब के लिए आपको मिलेंगे 10 पॉइंट। तो दिस इज अ चांस फॉर यू टू ओपन योर अकाउंट। अगर आप तैयार हैं हम आपके साथ शुरू करेंगे। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब।
Which ruler of the Delhi Sultanate shifted the capital to Daulatabad?
Sikandar Lodi.
Incorrect. By what name do we better know the mineral iron pyrites?
Pass.
Who is the current leader of the Biju Janata Dal?
Pass.
Which company has developed the talking robot Kirobo Mini?
Honda.
Incorrect. In which sport does Akanksha Hagavane represent India?
Squash.
Incorrect. What is the common name of the, you can take this, what is the common name of the Kere Pakupai Meru waterfalls in Venezuela?
The Angel Falls.
Is correct.
Wow! You've opened your account with 10 points and Aditya will tell you what the correct answers are.
The ruler of the Delhi Sultanate who shifted his capital to Daulatabad was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The mineral iron pyrites is commonly called fool's gold because it looks like gold but it is not real gold. The Biju Janata Dal is headed by Nabeen Patnaik and Kirobo Mini has been invented. It's a small 4-inch handheld sort of talking robot been created by Toyota. And Akanksha Hagavane represents India in chess.
Now let's see whether Bits Pilani does better than that. आप तैयार हैं?
Which element in the periodic table is named for the earth?
Pass.
Who preceded Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy as the President of India?
Pass.
Which country defeated India in the opening match at the 2016 Kabaddi World Cup?
Korea.
Is correct. Which European country's CCTLD is .lt?
Pass.
Which upcoming Hindi film features the soundtrack by the British band The Vamps?
बेफिक्रे.
Is not correct.
आपने भी हासिल किए हैं 10 पॉइंट। Aditya, go ahead with the right answers.
The ones that you missed out on, the only element in the periodic table which is named for the Earth. Earth is also called Tellus, Tellurium. The President of India before Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy was Gyani Zail Singh. .lt is the country code top level domain of Lithuania. And the upcoming Hindi film which features a song by the British band The Vamps is the Ajay Devgan starrer Shivaya.
देखते हैं हमारी टीम सी जो है यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ राजस्थान. You get to beat that 10-point mark and your time starts now.
Which place was the capital of Muhammad Adil Shah?
Pass.
Of which state is Vijay Rupani the present Chief Minister?
Pass.
Which automobile innovation was invented by Mary Anderson in 1903?
Pass.
Which messaging app has been launched in 2016 by Google?
Pass.
Which team was the champion of the 2015-16 season of the Ranji Trophy?
Mumbai.
Is correct. Which US, I've started, you can take it. Which US city is served by Logan International Airport?
Washington DC.
Is not correct.
4 passes, 1 correct answer, 1 incorrect answer, and here are the right answers.
मैं कहने वाला था कि पास आते आते वो दूर ही जा रहे थे इस मार्क से. Okay, the place that was the capital of Muhammad Adil Shah was Bijapur. The Adil Shahi dynasty of Bijapur is famous. Vijay Rupani is presently the Chief Minister of Gujarat. The automobile innovation created by Mary Anderson in 1903 was the windshield wiper. And Google has launched the Allo messaging app in 2016. And Logan International Airport serves the city of Boston.
So 10 is the score to beat. Let's see what St. Wilfrid College of Law can do. Here goes. आपका समय शुरू होता है अब.
Which ruler of Mewar was defeated by Babur at the Battle of Khanwa?
Pass.
Which noble gas is named for the Greek god of the sun?
Ethane.
Incorrect. Of which African country is Omar al-Bashir the current president?
UAE.
Incorrect. Which company has released the Phoenix 0.1 web browser in 2002?
China.
Incorrect. Which film star's younger brother, you can take this one, which film star's younger brother was the wrestler Randhava?
Pass.
आइए देखते हैं सेंट विल्फ्रिड कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ के सही जवाब क्या थे आपके सवालों के.
पहला सवाल था which ruler of Mewar was defeated by Babur at the Battle of Khanwa? It is Rana Sangram Singh, commonly called Rana Sanga. The noble gas named for the Greek god of the sun is helium, from the god Helios. Omar al-Bashir is the current president of Sudan. And Mozilla Firefox released the Phoenix 0.1 web browser in 2002. And Randhava, the wrestler, was the younger brother of the famous film star and wrestler himself.
Anyone?
Wrestler and film star Dara Singh.
ये सारे जो सवाल थे क्लियरली दे weren't questions of your choice, आपकी मर्जी के नहीं थे. लेकिन अगला जो राउंड है उसे हम कहते हैं मेरी मर्जी. आपसे सवाल पूछे जाएंगे questions of your choice. उस राउंड में बढ़ने से पहले आइए देखते हैं where the scores stand. Wilfrid Law yet to open its account. UIT, BITS Pilani and यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ राजस्थान एट 10 points apiece. अगला जो राउंड है मेरी मर्जी, बहुत ही वजनदार राउंड है.